इश्क एक मीर भारी पत्थर है कब ये तुझ नातुआ से उठता है. Hi, welcome or welcome back to Currently Conscious. I'm Kasturi and today क्योंकि शादी का सीजन है so I thought why not discuss relationships and love. নমস্কাৰ আৰু কাৰেণ্টলি কনচিয়াছলৈ আপোনাক স্বাগতম. যদি আপোনালোকে আগৰ পৰা চাই আহিছে তেনেহ'লে ধন্যবাদ, আৰু যদি আপোনালোকে আজি প্ৰথমবাৰ মোৰ লগত জড়িত হৈছে তেনেহ'লে এটা ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিয়ক. আপোনালোকে নেক্সট ভিডিঅ'জবোৰো ন'টিফাই হৈ থাকিব কেতিয়া আহে কেতিয়া নাহে. আৰু আপোনালোকে চাগে জানে তথাপি আৰু এবাৰ কৈ দিওঁ, আই এম কস্তুৰী, আই এম এ চাৰ্টিফাইড স্পিৰিচুৱেল কোচ. আই টেক পিপল অন এ জাৰ্নি to transform their lives and live life to their highest potential. So are we ready to get currently conscious? Yes. Thank you so much and let's begin. So আজিৰ টপিকটো হ'ল romance and relationships. I think যেতিয়াৰ পৰাই আমি মানে জগতলৈ আহোঁ এজ কিডছ উই গ্ৰ' আপ, আমি লাভটো এটা বহুত ডাঙৰ ইম'শ্যন হয়, ৰাইট? এণ্ড স্পেচিয়েলি কিডছো কোৱা যায় দে আৰ মোৰ নলেজেবল এবাউট দ্য অপজিট ছেক্স. जैसे a small girl will be more attracted to a younger boy because they have no inhibitions, right? যেতিয়াই আমি ডাঙৰ হৈ গৈ থাকোঁ কণ্ডিশ্যনিং হয়, ঘৰৰ মানুহে কয় আমুকক নাচাবি তামুকক নাচাবি and all of that, and children get really confused about what's happening in their bodies, right? What is this attraction towards a different sex? Or what is this attraction towards a different person, right? Which is not the motherly kind of love or the parental kind of love, right? So as love as an emotion আমি বহুত বেছি acquainted right from childhood, and this entire thing of having your twin flame or having your soulmate or getting married or all of that, it's a huge thing, right? So সৰুৰে পৰাই আমাৰ এইটো বস্তুৰ বহুত এটা প্ৰেছাৰ থাকে, কণ্ডিশ্যনিঙৰ কাৰণে আমাৰ এটা প্ৰেছাৰ হৈ পৰে, ছ'চাইটেল প্ৰেছাৰ এটা থাকে. চ' ইমান আমি মানুহক লগ পাওঁ, কিমান আমি ৰিলেশ্যনশ্বিপ কৰোঁ, প্যাৰ এক হি বাৰ হোতা হে, এইটোতো চবেই মানে বলিউডত কৈ থকা কথা, বাট আই ডোণ্ট এগ্ৰী টু দেট. লাভ ইজ ছামথিং দেট উই চুজ টু do every day, no matter what, no matter how much you like or get attracted to someone, you choose to love a person beyond their demerits or merits, right? So that is, love is always a choice. Remember that. This thing of it's yeah, even I love poets and poems and shairis and all of that. There's this beautiful shairi by Mir. It talks of इश्क एक मीर भारी पत्थर है. बातों बातों में ही वेरी फेमस गालिब का शेर गोज लाइक, इश्क नहीं आसा गालिब इतना समझ लीजिए, एक आग का दरिया है और डूब के जाना है. सो हाँ है इश्क. क्यों, why is it so mystified? Why is it so unreal almost, right? Why is it so away from reach? Let's decode relationships in this series of shadi sagas, because every time I think we get invited to a shadi or we go to a marriage, we somehow introspect into our own bonds, our own relationships and our own love lives. So without further ado, let's decode green flags in a relationship. What are green flags supposed to be in a relationship? This is the kind of relationship that you should be in. This is the kind of relationship you should invest your time in, and not invest your time in relationships which are red flags. But instead of discussing red flags, because we see a lot of videos where a lot of demerits of relationships are discussed, but what are the merits? What are the green flags? Let's discuss that. First one is they apologize. So anyone you're dating or anyone you're in love with or anyone you are in a relationship with, they need to apologize. They need to know when to say sorry and they need to mean it. So if a person, we fight all the time, that's fine. A relationship green flag is not about not fighting or, not having any differences. But a relationship green flag is more about, understanding that there will be differences and having the quality and having the time to apologize. Coming to the next point is their words and behaviors align. जैसे कि just like এতিয়া আমি শায়ৰী শুনিলোঁ, অল অফ দেট শুনিলোঁ। এইবোৰ কথা ৰোমেণ্টিচাইজ কৰি থকাটোতো বস্তুটো ইটছ ইজি, ৰাইট? অলছ' বিকজ ৱেন ইউ আৰ এ ক্ৰিয়েটিভ পাৰ্চন, অৰ দেৰ ৱেৰ চ' মেনি ক্ৰিয়েটিভ পিপল before you romanticize kori thaka, I think that will be always easy. But actually jodi mane words aru behavior to align hoy, words to action ole porinito hoy. For example, মই কালি আহিম মানে উইদাউট এনি এক্সকিউজ, উইদাউট এনি ফেইলিয়াৰ 10 ঘণ্টা লেট হ'লেও মানুহ এটা আহি ওলায়, বা ছোৱালী এজনী কমিটমেণ্ট দিওঁ বুলি ক'লে যে কমিটমেণ্ট দিছোঁ মানে দিলোঁ, কমিটমেণ্টৰ ৱৰ্ডটো বুজি পাই সেই বিহেভিয়াৰটো এলাইন হৈছে নাই সেইটো বস্তুৰ লগত, যদি হৈছে ইটছ দ্য গ্ৰীণ ফ্লেগ, ইউ শুড কণ্টিনিউ ইন দেট ৰিলেশ্যনশ্বিপ। তাৰপিছত coming to the next point is they encourage your connections with your friends, with your family. They do not just want you for themselves. এটো বহুত দেখা পোৱা যায়, লক্ষ্য কৰা যায়, যেন সব কাটি মানে সব ফ্যামিলি ৰিলেশ্যন সব কুছ কাটি পেলাই মানে আপোনাৰ লগত থাকিব লাগে। এই বস্তুটো যদি হয় আৰু যদি আপুনিও এইটো বস্তু কৰি আছে, then beware, it's a red flag. You shouldn't do that. You should encourage connections, you should encourage friendship, you should encourage all of that, and you should live a social healthy life with the person you love. Coming to the next point, this is a very relevant point. To speak about the people you have dated in the past, or to speak about your exes with respect. A lot of people, I think we have all encountered in life where they go around, they start the conversation by saying that, oh, my ex was a psycho, or my ex was crazy. My ex joni pagol asile. Beware. I'll just say beware. Again, very important for me personally, they understand and know boundaries. They know their boundaries, they know and respect your boundaries, and if there are no boundaries, they encourage making boundaries. Healthy relationship with boundaries. They live intentionally and they work on their growth and healing. This is, I think, this is a long-term relationship sign where you should be hopeful that etu hobo aru okoman din thakilehe manu etar growth ba healing apuni gom pabo. So for people who are in initial stages of the relationship, this may not apply, but for people who have been past a year or 2 years into the relationship, it's a great time for you guys to analyze whether the other person in your equation or you are working on your growth and healing or not. And if not, you guys should accommodate each other's traumas, and you should accommodate each other's past, force each other to heal, provide triggers maybe, and talk about it, have a conversation about growth and healing. And if the other person you're in love with can actually provide or propel your healing, it's very beautiful. So with that, we come to the end of this video. I want to keep it short and sweet, and Shadi Saga will continue. So join me on part 2 of decoding and demystifying relationships. Until then, biya khai thakok, dhuniya ke dress hoi goi thakok, and recognize and realize your relationships, have intentional bonds with people, and your relationships will flourish. Have a great week ahead. Thank you for watching. Also, before I go, this is my Instagram. Please go and hit a like there. It will help you and me both in spreading information and gaining more knowledge about therapy, about growth, about healing, and about mindset reset. And if you like this video, also click on the subscribe button if you haven't already. Like, share, and comment. This will help me reach more people. Aru tetialoke hukhi thakok. Thank you so much. Bye.